In this video, we will discuss about 2 ways of calculating the power in Excel. In the column A, I have some numbers. In the column B, I have to calculate the power of these numbers raised to 3. In this case, I can use direct formula or the power function. First, let's use power function here in B4 cell. Press is equal to, type power, open parentheses. In the number parameter, click on the base number. Put a comma. In the power, click on the power value. Then, lock this cell by pressing F4 key. Close parentheses and hit enter. Here you see, 2 to the power 3 is calculated as 8. Drag the formula down. Let's use here direct formula method. Let me delete this. Press equals. Click on the base number. Put the power symbol. This is usually given in the 6-number key in the keyboard. Then, click on the power number. Lock it by hitting on F4 key. Press enter. Drag the formula down. Power values are calculated. So, these were the 2 methods of calculating power. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing this channel if you have not. See you in next video tutorial.